1, go.
So the next thing we're going to talk about here on our Huskers, every Husker has one, are our suspension trainers. Okay, these are not similar to TRX in terms they're not a bungee, okay, but they are adjustable. So I'm going to show you a couple exercises we can do. The only adjustment you're going to have is handle height. In order for me to shorten the rope, all I'm going to do is pull up. To lower it, I'm going to squeeze this red lever and pull it down. Biggest thing is you want to make sure that they're level. Okay, if they're uneven, it's going to feel uncomfortable doing any type of movement. Okay, from here, the difficulty level really comes down to the angle at which you're doing the exercise. So for me, if I'm doing a low row, I'm going to lean back, okay, put my feet up, and then from here I'm going to pull into my chest and down. Notice I'm not sitting up and pulling, okay, that's going to work different muscle groups. So all I'm going to do is pull up to my chest. Now, if that's too difficult for me, I can bring this up, which makes the angle that I'm working much smaller, okay, so it might be a little bit easier for me, okay? The next one, how versatile these are, I'm going to flip right over. I'm going to be doing a chest press, okay? Again, make sure that they're even. Okay, maybe I'm not very strong yet. I'm working my way up to maybe doing a bench press, a push-up. Okay, again, I can lean forward. I'm going to push down and then back up. Down and then up. If I want more difficult, we're going to lower this rate down some more. Again, making sure that they're even. That's the hardest part about these, is making sure that they're even. Going almost to a full push-up here. Okay, again, bringing my feet back, coming down, and then pressing up. Down and up. When I'm done, I just step out.